Hello, and welcome to our Getting Started series with ServiceWorks. We're going to be covering our last module for the invoices. So we'll go ahead and get started with that by clicking Not Started. And by now, a lot of this is probably looking familiar to it, so some of it may not even need any explanation anymore. So if I bore you a little bit for the next few steps, I apologize, but someone may have skipped ahead and be watching this one because they were interested in invoices. So uh, let's go to the invoice email first, and these might make a little bit more sense for it to you. Okay, sorry. Let's go to our template design. So it makes a little bit more sense. If you look at these, we now offer a few different templates that you can pick from instead of our default. If you click the greater than symbols, you can go in here and you can pick an invoice that you like. Let's say that I pick this invoice, but I really don't like the color. If you contact us and let us know maybe your website colors, your logo colors, or if you have a favorite color of purple that you like, just let us know and we can change these colors to whatever it is that you would like to show to your customers. So for this instance, I'm going to go ahead and pick this invoice. I'm going to click Save. And let's go to our invoice email. Okay, here we go, invoice. Sorry. And as you can see, our invoice has updated. Now, this is just a simple rendering, so it doesn't have all the graphics in here, but trust me, they are here. Now, you'll see our brackets again. Anything that's in brackets pulls from your job. Now, if I go to configuration, you'll see service items and service items only. You're going to see serialized items. This is under the service items section. So let's go here. There we go. And here you'll see service items. So that configuration applies to this topic. So if I go to configuration, service items, I can turn on and off what I want the customer to see. So I can say, yes, include the item number, include the item description, unit of measure, anything in this section. If I go to product items, and let's go to invoice, and let's see, this one doesn't have that. But if I had product items here, because I was selling that, I could go to configuration and I could turn on or off model numbers, serial numbers, revision numbers, those types of things would be included. We do have a lot of customers that will turn off model numbers. Just because maybe they don't want the clients to see a model number, go to Amazon and look up the cost of that part and then come back at you wanting to know why you charged $100 for a $15 part. It just avoids that whole confrontation. We do have a premium feature for bundles that will be rolling out here soon, and that's going to allow you to go into your settings. Let's say that you sell fireplaces, for instance, and you don't want your tech to have to go into the mobile app and select the items section and list 25 items individually every time they sell a fireplace build kit, something like that. The bundle option allows you to go in, build a bundle that says fireplace kit. You can pre-attach those 25 items. So out in the field, your tech just has to select the fireplace build bundle and all of those items will automatically be attached for him. There's no more sitting there in his van for an hour searching for all of those items to add to that customer's invoice. And again, that pretty much covers those. What I would like to say, this is not part of the getting started, but it might help you down the road. If you do some modifications to your invoice, And again, if you click source, here's the HTML that builds that. So if you know somebody who knows HTML and they're going to make some changes for you, create your own invoice, whatever it is you want to do. Once you're happy with your invoice, I would go to source and I would copy this. And then I would paste it into Notepad. Don't use Word, WordPad, anything like those, because those impart formatting on anything you paste into them. Notepad does not. So I would paste this into Notepad and then save this as a text file somewhere on your computer where you can find it. So if something happens, somebody comes in here and they're messing with your invoice, we do not have a way to revert backwards. So if it comes in, it gets messed up, you could go to that notepad, you could pull up that HTML, come here, replace everything or just delete everything here, copy and paste your notepad content back in, and you're back where you started. I would also say, let's go to our configuration. Again, getting started is just an easy window into the settings. So I'm going to go to configuration. I'm going to go to invoice settings. I'm going to go to invoice template. Now you will see that the invoice that you selected is now here for you as well. It's brought over. Um, I would go here and I would copy all of this text. We'll do a sample here real quick for you. So we're going to scroll all the way down the bottom. We're going to copy, and then we're going to go to estimation settings, estimate template, click source. I'm going to delete all of this, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to hit save, and you're going to see that this is here. Now, the great thing about this is it's also editable at this level. So I can click invoice, I can hit backspace, and now I can just type the word estimate, if I could type, and I'll hit save. All right, so now it says estimate. It looks exactly like your invoice. So any branding that you've done, so if you send an estimate out to your customer, they'll see estimate. When they get the estimate or the invoice, they're going to know it's from you because it looks the same. So, and you can also have them set up differently, as you saw. That choice is completely up to you. But that covers your invoices. Again, very simple. It's just changing the template, making it what you want it to be. If you do not want to do other charges, simply erase the line and save. Easy as that. If you have any difficulties with this, please reach out to our support team and they can help you get taken care of anything that we need to fix or adjust for you as far as colors, things like that. And that takes care of our getting started page. Now I will say, once you get all of these to completed, then this page will disappear. When you log in, you will be presented with your schedule page. Also, once you set up your onboarding, we will be going through that instant or that getting started page. So if there's anything not completed yet, don't worry about it. We can cover it in your onboarding and your training and get that taken care of for you. All right, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the videos. I hope they helped. And again, if you need any assistance, please reach out to our support team. Thank you. Bye-bye.